Hello, happy Monday.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to Mindset Monday, episode 6.
Wow,
Yes.
episode 6 already.
It's been already more than a month.
Time flies, right?
I hope you're enjoying it. Miguel and Lana here.
We help people elevate their health, wealth, and happiness.
Exactly. So, today we're gonna speak about the power of now. And we're gonna tell you 3 ways how it correlates with the law of attraction. I think a lot of you guys heard about the book The Power of Now and the same thing about the law of attraction. And you know, when you actually read the book and when you watch the movie, for example, like The Secret, right? The law of attraction, they're a little bit different. So in order for you to work these things together, we decided to tell you how it can be applied in your life.
In a simple way, so you don't have to go to the science and, you know.
So the first way how the power of now can correlate with the law of attraction is feeling gratitude.
Yes, when you're grateful, fear disappears. When you're grateful, unhappiness disappears. When you're grateful, disease disappears. So that's so important that to be grateful of what you have now, not when you're gonna get something in the future or not what you have had in the past. It's the power of now, what you have now, your family, your friends, and everything that you have.
And if you think about it, you know, when we talk about the past, it actually, in the past, it also was the present moment. It happened now. So, and the same about the future. Future will never happen because it will be now. So,
exactly.
And when you realize that, you know, when you realize that you feel grateful, that you have gratitude for certain things in your life, it becomes so much easier to process. For example, I was going to give you example about, you know, we like how actually it works with the law of attraction. We want, for example, attract abundance in our life, right? A lot of people want to attract abundance in their life. And what abundance means for a lot of people is freedom, being with their family, you know, opportunities. That's what it means, right? That's what abundance means for a lot of people. And in order for you to make it easier, you know, so that way you don't chase actually abundance in the future, you don't think about the future, is think how you are going to feel, how you feel right now actually, how you feel right now when you feel free or when you have time with your family.
You're already having it.
Yes.
Act as if. And most people...
And you have the freedom,
you
know.
You already have it. You hear...
So focus on that feeling, you know, focus on that emotion and connect, you know, your emotions with the feeling for being for having gratitude for something.
And Lana, what Lana is saying, we're free. We're free to get up whatever time we want to get up. If we don't have to work, and we have that freedom to take action of what we want to accomplish in our life, our goals, dreams, our vision. And most people that I see is they let the outside world, the circumstances outside, being news, being what is outside, impact their inner world. And it should be the otherwise. You should come from a place of love, place of understanding, and then act and react to the outer world. It comes from the inner to the outside.
Yes. Hey, Moise.
Hey, Moise.
Yes, so the second way that how power of now correlates with the law of attractions is letting go of resistance.
Wow.
And that's, believe me, it's a hard one. Yes. I'm still working on this one, letting go of resistance, because letting go of resistance is the biggest block in our life. Mm-hmm. And for example, what we want somewhere there, we're not having it here.
We're having so many issues, you know. Let me give you an example. Mm-hmm. We work so hard and we dedicate and we're committed, and sometimes we don't see the results that we're expecting, and we're like, but I want this now, I want it now. Why I'm working so hard, I'm giving so much time of myself, of my family, and why don't I achieve it now? And my friends, it's that the more you resist to it, the more you have that struggle, the more you attract.
And I was going to add that the power is neutralize the resistance, is to observe your thoughts.
Exactly, your thoughts.
Yes, I was going to give them the example. Actually, I was going to give you an example. For example, I say example too much. So imagine if you are sitting in the park on the bench and you just looking, at the people walking around you, they're walking their dogs. So instead of judging each person who is walking by, try to observe your thoughts.
Exactly, Nancy.
That okay, so here's the dog walking, here's a person walking with a dog, or stuff like that. So try to observe your thoughts instead of judging. And that's where it makes sense, that's where you actually letting go the resistance.
Yes, remember that you in charge of your thoughts.
Yes.
You let whatever is in the outside world, whatever you want, you're the one who accepts it or rejects it.
Exactly.
You're in power.
Yes. And the third way that we are going to talk about is understanding the power of surrender.
Yes, that one.
Yes, so the power, I have some notes here, guys, so I don't forget anything.
What we're gonna say.
Yes, what we're gonna say, because sometimes we have so many thoughts in our mind, and that's why I wrote down some thoughts. So understanding the power of surrender is when we focus on our state of being. And so basically we gotta learn how to surrender to certain circumstances. I cannot pronounce this word.
Circumstances, situations.
Situations, exactly. I know how to spell it though, but I cannot pronounce it. So yes, it's when we surrender to certain situations in our life, and we just trust the process. You gotta learn how to trust the process no matter what. You don't have to think why it happens to you, but you have to think why it happens for you.
It's when you start riding a bike, right? You do it one time and you do it 2 times, you fall and you get up and keep doing it. You trust in that process that you somehow you're gonna learn no matter what. If you keep pushing, if you're gonna be committed, you're gonna get it regardless of the failures that you have, because it's gonna happen.
Yes, Moise says, story of my life. Some of the English words are just hard. I know, right? Yeah, and the funny thing is, I know how to spell them, but some of them I just can't pronounce. So
just trust the process,
trust
guys.
the process.
When someone as a mentor that you have is telling you what to do or what steps to follow, it's because they already done it and they already have that results that you're seeking for. So sometimes we get desperate and we think like, no, it's not gonna work. What are you talking about? But there's a reason of this madness. There's a reason why you seek for that mentor. You know that he has the results, the lifestyle that you want to have. That's why you follow him, or that's why you hire him. And just trust the process.
Yes.
It's
that's how it works. I
complicated,
know,
but
I know sometimes it
looks complicated.
Yes, sometimes it's not easy to follow those principles, those ways. But as soon as you catch your thoughts, whatever you're doing in your life, and as soon as you focus on the power of now, you have to enjoy the process now. You have to be happy now, not somewhere later, not when you get another car, or not when you get the house. You think that you will be happy then.
You're happy now.
It's like a rat race, For example, you're achieving a certain goal and you think that you're gonna be happy after a certain I don't know, let's say like after a certain amount of money, you think you're gonna be happy, but it's not gonna happen, because then you're gonna chase another goal. So that's why you have to enjoy the process. You have to enjoy the power of now, because the future will never come, because the future is our now. It's our present.
Your actions now that is gonna give you the results.
Yes.
That you desire.
So let me just
summarize what we just
again.
said.
So 3 ways how power of now can correlate with the law of attraction. The first one is feeling the gratitude. The second one is letting go the resistance, and the third one is surrender.
Trust the process.
Exactly. Okay, guys, so we hope this video was valuable for you. You got some information, and I hope you enjoy your beautiful Monday today. Have fun, go get it, crush your goals. And it's actually April 1st today, so welcome to April.
New
Make
month,
some jokes
new
today.
goals, yeah. April Fool.
Yes.
Well, don't tell it to anyone.
So, okay, guys, I hope, like I said,
this
have
was
an
valuable
amazing
to you.
day.
Have
Yes.
an amazing day.